it's Jen from Not So Mystical Tarot. This is going to be your reading for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign of Sagittarius for the second half of July 2019. You can find me on Instagram at Not So Mystical Tarot or notsomysticaltarot.com if you'd like a personal or private reading. These are general readings, so watch your Moon and Rising sign. I keep them short so that you have time to do that, okay? It will give you a little more clarification. Sagittarius, what do we have going on? 10 of Cups. I like this for you. I like this for anybody. But yeah, this is all about really looking at your relationships at home, your personal relationships, and enjoying them. Like, this is happy stuff. What else do we have? The Hanged Man. It may be that you need to look at them a little bit differently. Maybe your family is non-traditional. Maybe your relationships are non-traditional and other people don't see them as having the ability for this. But you know what? That is not your problem. Thinking of a certain Sagittarius rising that I know that will totally understand what I'm saying to her right now. Just reminded me of her. Just because it's not traditional according to other people doesn't mean that it's not right. And you know what? You have this Hanged Man saying, you know what? Who cares? You look at it from whatever direction it makes you happy, feeds your soul, and that's all that matters, is that you are happy. You have this feeling. The people who love you and the people you love have these feelings. That's what matters, okay? Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. So however you need to look at it to reconcile it with yourself is just fine. You also have the Magician. Everything is available to you, okay? But the universe is not going to bring the store to you and throw it up on your doorstep, okay? You're going to have to go and get the stuff you want, but if you look, every element is here in an infinite, see the little infinity symbol? In an infinite amount. So it's up to you to take whatever is being offered, or to go and get what you want. And I don't mean to say take whatever's being offered like, here's this crap, you can take it. No, you take what you want, what you need. Ask the universe for what you need. If you want something, a certain career, something, a certain person, a certain relationship, you need to ask for that so that you can have it, okay? The universe wants to give you what you want, but you have to be willing to put yourself out there. And you get the King of Pentacles. This is success. This is success financially, in your work, in your environment. The King of Pentacles has got it under control. And even though, Sagittarians are fire signs, this still makes you feel very good inside. And you do have a certain amount of this that you require. This also is telling me, with this whole look at the relationships from a different perspective, that even the old fuddy-duddies in your life, and even the people that you think are too stern to understand you and the way you are, they get it. And they don't care. They just want you to be happy. And I really do feel that. I really do feel that. So let's get a little more information for our Sagittarians, okay? And our Sagittarian moons and our Sagittarius risings. Let's get a little more information for all of you. What else do we have? 9 of Swords. This is you guys worrying. This keeps coming up for everybody too. July, the beginning was super emotional, and it was a lot for everybody, so don't get all freaked out. I mean, and that's the thing too, is you can't spend your life worrying about what people think or anything else. This is anxiety, just like rolling around in your stomach over and over and over again. It gets you absolutely nowhere, just causes you to be upset. And you've got this Page of Cups. I love this Page of Cups because he's always like, why is this talking fish up in my face, right? You don't see him going, oh, the Page of Cups. You see him like, ugh. So pages bring messages. So I think the message here is, listen, it's good to be open to new and different things. It's good to be open to your different thoughts and things like that. Annabelle, my dog, she's behind me. Her tail is under the door. Anyways, it's good to be open to that, but don't let it worry you, okay? Sometimes being open can be more trouble than it's worth. And I think that's the thought here with this page, is like, don't get yourself involved in too many things where it's going to keep you up at night, like worrying and fretting about stuff, because that's not what you need either. And you have here 2 of Cups coming up all the time. This is the relationship in this situation that you have with yourself, being open to what you need, out of a relationship, what you need from other people, but mostly being true to what you need from yourself. I mean, don't tell yourself a bunch of lies, okay? Because that's what's going to keep you up at night. When you're really true to yourself and you do what you really want and you fulfill your own needs, this just goes away on its own. Because after a while, you stop caring what anybody thinks or what they need, and wow, you got the Chariot coming at you. This guy here is your messenger, right? And the Chariot is a water sign. It usually represents Cancers, but it doesn't have to be that in particular. It just is water sign, and it means emotions are coming raging toward you. So this is just, this guy's like, hey, remember this? Just don't get yourself too caught up. And like I said, when this stuff comes at you, just remember, stay true to who you are, stay true to what you want, and you won't have to even think twice about all this other stuff here, keeping you up at night, worrying, traumatizing you. None of it. It's not even relevant to you. You go and you do you. All right? I will talk to you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.